Yes. You are all good evening. You are all welcome. You are all good evening. You are all welcome. May the day bless you. Round the globe. Now me una picky wall of una no way come from Edo State. He come from Edo State. The village wey not far for Edo State. Where I dey here this evening. I supposed to speak my dialect because of our governor. Noga Ase. Godwin Noga Ase because you know the year Benin. Governor of Edo State, you know the year Benin. That's why I come. Valley. That's why I come this evening. As you be say our governor know the year Benin, our governor of Edo State, you know the year Benin. I supposed to speak my dialect. So I go speak broken English, the way it go hear am. Governor Inoga say Obaseki, I beg if you see me say this message when I bring for you, so now maybe pikin wey not go school illiterate. I can deliver message for you this evening. I beg make una share this video, make it go viral. Make una press the notification bell, una press the like your team, una press the following. If na today be your first day where you see me as you see me, so I beg not forget I get it when they call YouTube. Prophet Atiti Top Show, make you go subscribe, put. Where I dey here this evening, I see a pikin wey come tell una for during election about Obaze. Na Obaseki pikin na first pikin na about Obaze be. That's why I come this evening when I come deliver message for Godwin Inoga Ase, the governor of Edo State. Make it take it that boy enter as election don't finish. Make it talk to that boy, the way they take the way they find our Benin people trouble and not they like am, it vex me. Now me I come out, I not curse any man, not curse any woman. About Obaze, election don't finish. As election don't finish. If they do any election, they can curse anybody when they do election. Now I talk and say politics is a dirty game. I don't see and say no, I talk and say politics na dirty game. At the year and for na mouth, me not be politician, my papa not be politician. Work what my papa do now be work of prophet, now me I do they go so. At the year when I dey talk and when I go dey talk and say politics is a dirty game. Oh, but Obaze, I see say where you call it an omigo, the video where you don't take pass for politics. The video where you don't take pass for politics, una scatter person house. Una break person house. Wetin you come need again about Obaze? I beg make una not forget to I buy rice come when I want to celebrate the birthday wey Lolo they do today. Una know say one of our pikin, our sister, when they speak in broken English, when he teach me how to speak in broken English, a Lolo, annual just say. Una know say that time when I come out, when I know they speak in broken English, go say no natic, no natic, no natic, no natic. Now they talk am. So if I want to do live video, I go the shame. Me not come look me not come say no natic. So tell me come learn am for me hand. I cause I be small now they take the chop so today. I beg you know where annual just a day. Igwe wife, where they celebrate birthday today, make they go carry and come for me. Make they go carry and come, make they tell and say goodness and well wishes is following him. Goodness and well wishes they follow and they go now, effect from today. Wetin better pass, now they go to see for your hand. Now wetin good pass, they go to see for your hand. Enemy when they pursue and they go, they not go meet her. And so cry, the enemy go they cry. Mona tell her, Mona go call, I know Joseph come. Mona go bring her come. I know Joseph, Mona go bring her come. Mona go bring her come. Mona share the video, may go viral. So the bread, the rice when I buy come for her. When I want to go celebrate the birthday for her. I beg make una not verse, una go follow me chop this one when I buy come when I want to celebrate. I know I just say, wait there for UK. I know I just say, what did they call them? Golden fish shall be good this people and I don't remember whether na golden fish. So now so will they chop and they go. Now will they do the celebration? Will they talk to our governor? Make una share the video, make it go viral. Mona the president I like your thing. I'm not to say I like your thing. Mona the president I like your thing. Make una the president I like your thing. Make una the president I like your thing. Mona make una the president I like your thing. Una good evening, una good evening. Na people una pikin, all of una know. He get one of our sister. He get one of our sister where they celebrate birthday today. This is our sister where they celebrate birthday today na annual Joseph. This annual Joseph, he married to Igbo man. Kedu. This is our sister, now they call golden fish. They say everything they different, now you different pass. Everything they different for life, now you different pass. The enemy when they pursue they go die by gutter. The enemy when they pursue they go, Motigadu go brush and come off for road. Your enemy na so cry they go they cry no I just say anywhere your enemy surrounded you anywhere they for surround you na so cry they go they cry. Now they go they cry for money, now they go they cry for evening. So as we dey go small, when we say go and see the rice when I back, when I want to celebrate you today, we go take for here today. Oh. Make una the press I like your team. Make una the press I like your team. Muna let this video go viral. Muna let her go viral. Now maybe that pikin where they sell Aba root. I dey sell am for Aba root. That's why I dey do am for prayer for people. Anyone where you need come, it shall be given. Where you asking. But matter wey will come for here today, na be that matter wey will come. God you know Obaseki in Oga say the governor of Edo State. I can't use this opportunity to take beg our governor, our excellency. Senior pikin when he put for outside, Obato Obaze make he carry an enter house, now we come beg. We know the cost man again, we know the cost woman again. But wetin will come for this evening? We come beg in Oga say God, the governor of Edo State, we come beg us with the beggar so a lot of to celebrate birthday. If anything serious your hand, you know, God may Oga say make you give a golden fish or golden fish. You see the need, you see need something. Oh. But wetin we come beg you this evening, our excellency, governor of Edo State, Papa to Obato Obaze. The one where Obato Obaze dey for outside, no good, oh, you no good. Obato Obaze, if they give people heart attack, make you carry your pikin enter house. Make you carry your pikin enter house. God will not say Obaseki, the governor of Edo State. I come beg you this evening. I use the name of God, Holy Son, Holy Spirit, they beg you, carry up at Oba's house. That's pikin when you too stubborn, it's not good. Now I say when I can't tell you, as we dey go, God will not say Obaseki, governor of Edo State, will celebrate a Goldfish birthday. Now today Goldfish they do birthday. You know who be Goldfish? You know, maybe you never see the video. Now they call Anua Ejose. No, I not thought that one will not be my mouth to for you. When the press I like your team, make una the press I like your team, make una share the video, make go viral, may reach viral hands. I know I just I want to chop your bread, I want to chop your meat pie where you give me. This one I meat pie where you send for me. As you send meat pie, you do meat pie, you take meat pie celebrate time. I see meat pie for your table. Now me I should go buy my meat pie when I dey chop so. You give them months, meat pie fountain and raka. Mona share the video may go viral. Mona share may go viral. Mona share may go viral. Now Abat will come talk to Abat. We never start. A lot of the chop in meat pie for that. I mean, me say me the chop my meat pie. So, one first put on for you first. One first put the meat pie for you. One talk to Obatobas there. Mona go carry lolo come. Mona go carry lolo. Better teach the enter lolo has to do. Mona go carry come. I want me a day here. If you day here, I go to see him first. Before I go start waiting, I want talk. Mona go call her no Joseph come. My brothers and my sister, una good evening. Una welcome. God go bless you for money, go bless you for everything. I'm not picking una no new generation. I want to use this opportunity to thank some people. People where they do good thing for community, like a Timothy Daosa. Una know that man before pikin wey bad, now it be a Timothy Daosa. Now pikin when it bad. Una go they see the work when they do now. He said the truth are setting free now. The movie they do now. Are you wanting to congratulate this person when he want measure a nation and one from Victor where go Egypt? If we go Egypt, I see and say don't come for Egypt from Victor Menwan. I see and say decide when he there now. I see and say na better thing they do now. Now I say when I call calculator mo, now I call calculator mo say thank you. I see the work way they do the work job. These two people when I measure their names, so the movie Daosa. You know the movie Daosa na October. You know so na stubborn pikin before, stubborn man. But if you not say today, now the truth they analyze the go. If they analyze the truth, if they go the truth, it go the God go bless you. Go bless you for money, go bless you for everything. From Victor, God go bless you for money, go bless you for everything. I see work what you do, go better for you for money, go better for you for everything. Any man when they talk truth for community, now be my friend. You know not say any man when they talk truth for community, now be my friend. So now I come this evening, I can't tell you now. When I share the video, when I let her go viral. When I share the video, when I the press I like your team. Make una the press I like your team. I know they say I like your team. Make una the press I like your team. Who like me, they like I like. When I go carry lolo, I never see lolo for year. I know I just say. We want to celebrate the birthday today for them. I say whether they chop meat pie for us. Me go buy my meat pie, and my meat pie be this. One of put my meat pie for Max. We know the cost somebody. We know the cost. Now as we dey go just say now we say we go dey do am. If you know say that person wey dey write bad thing, abeg go your house, we not call you here. They say that the past don't be stupid. As you see me say I be papa of pikin. I have to lay good negative for my pikin. I go lay negative for my pikin down. If my pikin go come, they go see the negative. We know the cost for year, not correct cost wait for year. If you know say you not fit watch me, go your house, we did not call you. So una say what they do here. Number one, we dey wish Anua Jose happy birthday. Una know Anua Jose. That woman wey dey for London, Igwe wife, Kedu, we dey wish her happy birthday. Number 2, we dey send message. Anyhow we take dey send the message to our governor, our excellency, the governor of Edo State. We dey send message to that too. For that pikin when he put for outside, the pikin, e no good at all. May God let her good. May God let the pikin good. But that pikin too stubborn. So we dey send a message, make carry a pikin, make tell am where he enter us. Because they talk for their parable, say politics na dirty game. They say anything when they see during the politics, na there they finish. I say politics is not finished. They want to kill some people now. Now I say one wrong, can't tell you now. And I saw you see there with the congratulation people will come, wait there for the truth side. Like you Tete, Mama Joy, Okpaeka, Ivielawa. There plenty, I don't know, I don't remember some name. People where they talk truth as me na maybe new generation prophet attitude. If I see any pikin where they talk truth, I dey give kudos. Now see there for them men one. No men one na from Victor. Una know say if they go Egypt, he don't come back for Egypt. Oh. If they go Egypt, from Victor they go Egypt, he don't come back. So any pikin where they talk truth, I dey like to do. Oh, you see one way, see there for that side when I don't remember a name. There plenty. Andrew Omofa one reba, babete nokba, Dada Masisi, babete nokba, Kevi Olagwe. There plenty like that where they talk truth. They want where their community good. There plenty like that. So now good evening, now welcome. God will bless all of you. Now Muna the president, I like your team. I like your team. Muna to the press, I like your team. If not today, when I just they come, when I just they see me so, as I did for you, and me be new generation prophet attitude. Anua Joseph, where they do birthday. Anua Joseph, they do birthdays today. Igwe wife, Kedu. I see how they buy me pie. Now me go market, go buy my meat pie. I want to put meat pie for mouth. As they celebrate the birthday today, Muna, if you don't dey here, Muna the press, Muna press just for me. In all of the year, Muna press just for me. Because the good thing when you want to come up for here, so now say the knock for table. He don't get a lot. He don't get a lot. He can't. You go here to get the alert for top of the table every day by day now from SGO. So una welcome come. The topic when he did for there, una see topic when he did there. Message to our governor Enola Obaseki. Why I write that message for there? We know they cost somebody for here. This one I be new generation. I tell you, I say if it is the time when I take come out, when I take the come out, una go the pack pikin. Pikin, mama, una go surround the table, una go they watch me. That's why I tell you, I promise you, I not go fail. The message we will send today to our governor, second papa of the old Benin. Now he be second papa for the old Benin. He can't born one pikin where they call up Batobaze. The pikin when he born so, now pikin when not the answer. I got all I get. If the driver for this side, go this side. If the driver for this side, go this side. If the driver for this side, go follow another side. If the driver for this side, go follow another side. Now Maradona small pikin. Now we know. Now I know I put. Now I say when I can use this opportunity, can take back our SLSC, the second papa of the old Benin. I beg you, sir, our SLSC, that pikin carry a enter house. Tell that pikin, your first pikin, tell him he enter house, Baba, our SLSC governor. Now I be waiting, I can't beg you. I not fit come here now. I not come for you, shot you. This about Obaza, I don't insult him. I don't want to do insult him again now. I want to beg him at the house. This character where they lay down no good. This character not be legacy good. Enough for you remember today, not go remember tomorrow. 2023 they come. You know, so the old people with the bite they go so. You see how they go turn against you. You know, say that they call their papa, they call their mama, call their sister for us. Say, why are you boy? Why are you boy? You're not be as you be before. Now, so all of us go. You call our family for us. Why are you boy? You're not. Why are you boy? They go put one. People when make una share the video, make it viral. Make una share the video. One question. Now my sister, because of my sister, now I could come. Now I say, make the meat pie not finish. Make the meat pie not finish. And one I just say, why I'm with it. Ore mania. Ore ma yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I know say I know they take for live video. I know say I know they take for live videos. Now so we all do and reach because the video not viral, not viral. If you not veteran, maybe veteran for those years since. And one just say, God go bless you for morning, He go bless you for evening. Anything where you put on for money, go the better for you. Anything where you put on for evening, go the better for you. You take a year, enter year today. You buy me pie. Me I say buy my me pie. You buy Fanta and Araka, me and say buy my own. Now so sweet thing, now they go to do for your house. But about said don't enter line. So more picky when it bad. Now so sweet thing, now they go to see for your house. You no go lack of anything. The person where they drive you, they go. You know if you catch you for money, you know if you catch you for evening. As I hold this Fanta for hands, now sweet thing, now me and one drink. Now sweet thing go to enter your life for money. You go enter for evening. Any man will stand behind your progress. Any man when they envy you. Any woman when they envy you. When no one see you better, now so cry the man go to cry. Now so cry the woman go to cry. Abraham blesses a man. You are blessing that morning. You are blessing that evening. Abraham blesses for you. You go the better anything where you the poor and you go the better for you for money. You go the better for you for everything. As you find so now so fine money go the enter your hand. That woman too fine. Mostly if you paint this side, you not paint this side. You get the day when you paint this side, you not go paint this side. If you see her, when you go laugh. Oh, no say okay. God go bless you, my sister. Anything with the poor and now so allow go down. So front and I go they go. So front, now anything where they put on for your life, now go they go so front. Any pikin when they talk truth for community, any brother when they talk truth for community, it goes better for for money, it go better for evening. So good thing I go the reach in our house. I know I just say happy birthday. Ukpobe gba anyo. Ukpobe gba anyo. Ukpobe gba, happy birthday, Anyo. Yes, my people, na good evening. God go bless you now for money, God bless you now for evening. If not today, the first day when I come see this video along the road. If not today, when I see this video for along the road, if una dey go, I beg make una press the notification bell, make una press the I like your thing. Make una press the following. In case anytime when I come online, the phone go make it yogo. And I go to say I come. I get her for waiting that they call YouTube Prophet Attitude Top Show. Make una go subscribe, put for me. I beg una for money, I beg una for evening, una subscribe, put. Before I see go now, I go see thank the people when they talk through for community. Like people when they go Egypt before, as they go Egypt, they don't come back from Egypt. Now I be Frank Victor, it go better for you for money, it go better for you for evening. If I see pikin wey dey talk truth, I dey pack them round body, I go dey near them, I go dey them, I go dey I don't know as I will take talk for you, but they I go all can. So at the movie the house, what to off for Odemata no mudia, wa mudia say, wa mudia Odemata no mudia. But in your paro. Ni oni America ya ati when you nowhere because you know wa mu mi ye o u ga mu mi ye o ya wa wo ma a wu pe ya wa na wa ni gbere e ba ta se boni wa to baba off we gbe e bi ma ya ino we mi no mane ya fe no ri te mata abi je mi ju tete Abije Noma, Abije Joy, Abe Okpaika, Abe Andrew, Abe Dadamasis. Ivie la wa yan bunveri o. Usaba Adeba wa ya Udema tan wa mudia yi wa yokpa wori manu wa yefa wori manu wa off wa ya gbe. Ike pa before I come comot. I want to use this opportunity see back our excellency governor of Edo State. I beg sir, I beg. He get one pikin wey you put for outside Obatobaze, tell am make go inside house. Tell am make go inside house. The way they treat our Benin people. We Benin people, we don't negotiate and we don't like am at all. We don't like the way they behave. We not say may not do social media. We not say may not do social media. The way they say that politics is a dirty game. Politics is not passing. The way they take our yasi, they can't see our people. We not like them. Now we say we can't tell you our excellency. I beg me to share the video, make fairer. Now no say I know they take for live video. God go bless all of you now. Wait, come look us. You will see put flower. You will see put I like your thing. The prayer go. Any prayer we will pray for you today. Now so Google thing go to locate you for your destination. You not go lucky for money. You not go lucky for evening. Man and woman go to get favor for you. Spirity, as they go to get favor. They go to give you favor. God will bless all of you now. So and that's why I talk and reach. Make una press I like your thing when I see am. Make una press I like your thing when I see am. When I cut it, I know I just say your. I be don't forget your. I know I just say. I be don't forget your mipa. See that flower where that woman put. See that woman hand. Now say you hand your me your way to put flower. God go bless you for money. Go bless you for evening. Go better for you. I know I just say, I got to talk me pipe in it too. God go bless you. So now so the video is. Bye bye. Good night too. Well, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow we'll see you again. If you never share this video, share them. Share this video. This video carry very important though. As a put one for share, you share them. And I saw Google thing go to locate you for money. You go to locate you for evening because our sister will do happy birthday so. Our sister will do birthday so. Luck when they follow one. Now so lucky they follow one. As you share the video, now so the luck go to follow you. Anything when you put one, it go to better for you. Any of your enemy way around you. Now so cry, they go to cry. Share the video, let the video go viral. Thank you very much. Y'all goodbye.